In this video, I'm going to show you how to add templates to MotiveWave. Now to do this, you want to go to your chart and you want to right click anywhere on the chart. So I'm going to right click over here and you want to hover over template and you want to click on manage templates. Now whenever you do this here, you want to go to templates and then manage templates again, which should be open already. And then you want to click on this button over here, which is the import chart template button. So if you want to add a template, you want to click on here and then you want to find a .tml file, which is of course the template file for MotiveWave. So I have one over here. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on open. Whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to add it as a template in here. I have this demo template over here, so I'm just going to hit OK, or you could do apply as well. And then whenever you do this, the template is going to be applied. And of course, then you can also find it if you right click, hover over template over here, you will see your new added template. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.